I just want to talk about a couple of things tonight.
One.
Number one, thank you. Number one. This is totally the rest of the show. Number one. Sometimes I'm walking through the store, and I'm not going to say which Whole Foods it is, but I'm walking through the store, and I see a little guy in his little karate suit, his little white thing, and he's all wrapped in a little black belt and stuff, and I'm like, oh, this little guy's so cute. And then I see his mom, and then I'm walking, I'm like, hey, oh, look at that little guy. Hey, how's it going, Mom? Hey, little guy. Just to see what he would do. Like, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna fucking do? Okay? Because you're fucking 3 feet tall. And first of all, you cannot be a black belt. Okay? It takes like 3 years. So I know you didn't start doing your goddamn karate at 3. Or at least not doing it well enough to be like, I'm a black belt, Mom. And I also kind of have a problem with kids that have like that kind of self-confidence, you know, like just walking around and it's like, you know, you're wearing a bathrobe, first of all, Tyler, and it's got like a little thing wrapped around it, and that doesn't mean like, you know, he's like, I had to register my hands with the CIA because I could kill someone. Can I have an ice cream? Okay, great. I just think it's bull S.